Hey everybody. I'm not gonna be doing many videos on my YouTube channel, but right now I'm just I keep hearing this really weird noise in the woods. Sounds kind of like an old man kind of groaning a little bit. I don't know what it is. Damn it. Damn it. I keep hearing it, and that's, like, if you ever hear something kind of like something like that, just like do it, like tell me in the comments, or hit me up on my Snapchat is Michael17228. Michael11778, sorry. Michael11778 is my Snapchat. And my kick is Michael17234. If you have any information on it, hit me up. And thank you. And see y'all later. Bye.